Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access archived chats in ChatGPT. Whether you're picking up where you left off or looking for a past conversation, it's really simple. Let's get into it. First, open up ChatGPT in your browser at chat.openai.com. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar. This is where all your chats are listed. Now, depending on your version, OpenAI may not call them archived, but all past conversations are automatically saved unless you've manually deleted them. Just scroll down through the sidebar to see your previous chats. Click on any one of them to reopen and continue the conversation. If you're looking for an older chat, you can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar. Type a keyword you remember from the conversation, and it'll show matching chats. If your sidebar is hidden, click the menu icon, the 3 lines, in the top left to expand it. Now, if you've cleared your chats or disabled chat history, unfortunately, those conversations can't be recovered. To check your chat history settings, click your profile icon in the bottom left, then go to Settings Wanders Data Controls. Make sure chat history and training is turned on if you want your future chats to be saved. And that's it! Super quick way to find and reopen your past chats in ChatGPT. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.